Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Build a Brilliant Life, and today I am going to teach you how to use positive affirmation cards. First, we need to answer the question, what is a positive affirmation? A positive affirmation is a positive statement that is used to interrupt and overcome negative thoughts you have about yourself or your life. I think of positive affirmations as reminders of who I want to be and what I want my life to be like. And I love to introduce positive affirmations into my self-talk through the use of positive affirmation cards. They're kind of like flashcards for your soul. I love using a tangible card because then the positive affirmation is more meaningful to me. The act of physically holding a card just makes me focus more and makes me hone in on the positive affirmation. I will take the card, read the statement multiple times if I need to, and out loud if I need to emphasize it more. Take a moment to really focus on it, and let the thought settle in my brain. The more you do it, the easier it is to embody the positive thought and truly believe in it. Does that sound weird to you? It's not. It's great, just trust me. So here are some times in your life when you might want to use positive affirmation cards. Every day as part of your morning routine, I highly recommend this. Before a job interview, before a big presentation or a meeting, when you are having a bad day. Really, whenever you need a boost of self-love or confidence. And here are some ways on how you can use positive affirmation cards to better your life. Your life. Draw one card in the morning and focus on that one positive affirmation that day. You could even carry that one card with you and reread it throughout the day to remember and reaffirm the positive message. Display a few favorite positive affirmations on your mirror and say them out loud to yourself while you're looking at yourself in the mirror. Before something big like a job interview or a presentation or even a date, stand tall or sit up straight and confidently read through a few of the cards. Choose an affirmation and write it down 10 times. Writing down the message will really help it sink in. Keep a positive affirmation card with you at all times in your wallet or your phone case. Choose a few affirmation cards you want to focus on during 1 week or 1 month, and type the affirmation as a daily reminder in your phone. When your reminder goes off, take a few moments to really focus on that affirmation. So that is what I have to tell you about positive affirmation cards, when you can use them, and how you can use them. And I have created my own set of positive affirmation cards I love to use, and I thought maybe other people will want this too. So, on my website in the online shop, you will find a listing for a set of 45 positive affirmation cards. Once you purchase them, you can download them instantly and print them anywhere. You can keep your deck of positive affirmation cards on your nightstand, or your dresser, or your desk, or in your purse, and use them to introduce these positive thoughts into your life. A lot of the time we create these habits with our minds where we automatically think that we are no good and we can't do things and we can't figure things out and we're not awesome. But you are awesome, and I want you to use these cards to remind yourself of how awesome you are. Of course, I will leave a link down below of where you can purchase these cards. I put a lot of thought into gathering the best positive affirmations that could be used to create a sense of self-love and a love of your life. So go ahead and check it out if you are interested. Also, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can leave a comment, you can email me, comment on my Instagram. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!